Hey everyone, thank you so much for joining. And today is Sunday, and just wanted to make this video super quick because in my community tab, so many people are asking about for a specific stock. And if you do not know, we have a community board and we have members. So basically, I ask members like pick two stock, and basically I will go over those videos. So again, definitely so many tickers came and some of the stocks are looking really nice. So I just wanted to make this video super quick so that they can know like which one I'm going to talk. At the same time, I just want to show that some of the videos I talked recently and why and something. So give me 30 seconds and let me know if you want me to cover any stock. At the same time, please hit the like button so that more people can join. We will start within 30 seconds to 1 minute, and we will keep it short, maybe half an hour maximum. Okay. So some of the things I just want to start that during the weekend I talked about some of this stock. The recent videos are actually on Workhorse, CCIV, and PLTR. Then another video went yesterday on Clover Health, then TRCH. Then we have Wish, BNGO, and I also talked about some trading stuff, how to protect your profit, because you know sometimes the share price goes up, then it comes down, and we always say, oh, I thought I could sell it at $30, now it is $10. So you can always use trailing stop loss, lock your profit. Can you cover EH or is it ETH? Let me know. So I'm going to start with some of the things because recently I talked, and maybe the most interesting thing is TRCH. So definitely I'm going to start with that one. So definitely, most probably you know that from Monday tomorrow they will have a reverse split. At the same time the ticker will be MMAT. So if the share price is like $4 now, so tomorrow morning it will become $8 and the ticker symbol will be MMAT. And people are saying so many things, and most of the videos are talking about a short squeeze because it is heavily shorted with a short interest over 30%. And by end of the month these shorts have to cover because TRCH is not available anymore, so they have to cover. So there could be a squeeze, but again, just looking at the chart, you can see it is currently sitting here and there is a gap. This thing can come down all the way from $5 to $4, and I'm just waiting. If it comes down, I will just buy, and again $4 will become $8 tomorrow. Hang. Okay, I never hang. Okay, I never looked at it before, but yeah, why not? I can go there and have a look. And so far I don't see anyone who are the members for this community, because this video is mostly about the members. Because if you do not know that in this YouTube channel you can always join and you can become a member. You can join and you become a member. You pay $3 per month, you become a member, and you can get access to different things. And there are so many things. I asked about member only things and they gave me some good tickers, so I will go there. But if there is no member, maybe we just talk about EHang. Let me see. I never looked at it. EH. Okay. So this is the chart, and what happened with the chart, I have no idea. It went all the way to 124, came down around 18, 19, and okay. So let's draw some lines first of all. So this is the bottom 20. Okay, and what's next? And seems like there is some kind of support around 36, 37, which is looking good. And this thing has been bouncing off that particular support for so long, and maybe next time it will just make a push. I will look at the volume, but what's the next point? I think the next one is around 52. And wow, this thing is, wow, I have no idea. What is it? Just because of the correction it came so far? Seems like it came down a lot. It came down a lot. So maybe this thing can come back again around 36, 37 area. and the next thing, I think it needs to go above that area. Let me find it. The area around 40, I think that's the area it needs to break. If it goes over 40 and goes outside of the blue line, then I think this thing can go towards 45, 46 area. But looking at the chart, it looks like it had a massive correction. I don't know what happened. From 112 it came all the way to 40, then found a floor around 20. Now it is curling back, but again, I don't know. But yeah, if you are a swing trader, then wait for this to come back at 36, 37 and establish some position. Then wait for this to go up, and if you want to sell again, maybe sell around 40. Otherwise, wait for this to break 40, 42 area. I think it will go towards 46 and 72. Hi Frank, any option on APXT this week with the merger? I think it's going to run and sell off quick. Started moving Friday. Yes, APXT. Jury's EH crashed because of a short report and inflation. Yeah. So yeah, the short report is really bad. I don't know how the company responded. If they really responded good, then yeah, this thing will go up. If the fundamentals are still strong and there is nothing bad, this thing will go. But look at the drop. This is so surprising, from 127 all the way to 34. Wow. It lost 2/3 of its value just because of the short report. Okay, the short report brought it to 40, then the correction came back. Now the correction is going, so 40 makes sense. Yeah, I think 52 would be a near-term resistance, and yeah. Okay, I see Ashish. It is a known name. Okay, APXT. APXT. Yeah, they have a merger, and I remember because I was holding lots of warrant for APXT. Look at the volume here. Look how far it is going up, and definitely this is a nice play for this week. But again, after the merger, you know, like they go up and they go down. So that's the thing. Just looking at the chart, I made some videos previously on this one, and because it was moving between 14 and 17, then it broke 17, it came back to 11, then it came the floor at 10. Now just looking at the chart, what we can see here, let me draw some lines here. Yeah, I think the 12.2, that was the important resistance, right? You see some kind of resistance in this area. Previously it was a support. That thing is broken, but I think APXT can actually run. It can run all the way towards 13.5 area, because you see 13.5 was acting like a resistance few times here, and before that it was a support. So yeah, APXT is 12.4 and maybe it can run more towards the 13.5 area. And let's have a look on the extended hour. I also want to have a look at the extended hour. Look at the volume for APXT. Wow, this is really looking good. APXT. Let's have a look. Yeah, it was up 8%, so not bad. APXT, it might run just a little bit more and hit a resistance around 13.5 before it comes. So if you're a swing trader, maybe just get in, ride the wave, and definitely whenever the merger will happen, this thing will come down. This is very, very common. Any option APXT? Okay, Ashish, thoughts on AMC this week? Let me have a look. Normally when the members join, I see a sign with their name. I don't know why I don't see it today. Give me a okay, so AMC, yeah, AMC is sitting at a very important level. You see, it had a nice run up, it breakthrough, but the line around 52.75, 53, this is the area, and AMC is struggling. Look at the RSI. The RSI is going down. Maybe instead of 4-hour, I can move to an hourly chart, and look at the RSI here, is pointing downward. That's the thing I'm worrying, that if the support is broken, this thing can fall down. I'm not against AMC. I'm not saying it can go back to $100, but just looking at the chart, you can see that on a 1-hour chart, the RSI is going down. That's the only fear I have here. And let's zoom now. why I'm thinking if the support at 53 area is broken, this thing can fall below, because 53 was acting like a support for so long and so good. Like you buy at 53, it goes to 59, 63, you can make a swing trade, but again I'm holding it for long, so whenever it is coming down, I'm just buying and buying. Welcome Frank. Let me know if my talking was okay, or if I did something wrong. Just want to share. But again, AMC looking like very important. If you want, you can set some limit buy order, because if AMC breaks through 53, this thing can come below to $48. If 48 is broken, it can come all the way to 42, 43 area. Look at here, right? It came to 73, it came back to 42, 43, went up. So very, very volatile. And again, so far there was some kind of nice consolidation, but again now things are coming down. If from 1 hour I move to a daily chart here, I just want to show that how it is struggling. It is trying to push. You see the area around 64? It is trying to push, but it can't go over 64. That's the problem. 64 come back to 53. Again, it pushed, so coming back and forth. But the thing, I'm a little bit worried for this coming week. You see here, it can't push. It can't push. So 53 is the floor, and this is the top here, right? So it has been falling. Yes, it can go up, it can come down to 53, and a big push can make this upward again. Otherwise it might fall on a daily chart. Even if you look at the RSI here, the RSI is falling down. So that is the only thing I'm not sure about AMC. Look at the MACD. The blue line is the bullish line. This is curving down. So normally when things go up, you see the big green bars here. The blue line is up. Now it is coming down. The red bars are getting bigger. That's the only thing that might impact AMC this week. Okay, I found one of my member, Veronica. Hey, okay, BB To. Are you trading from Toronto Stock Exchange? Maybe you're from Canada. Okay, AHT, I made few videos on AHT, yes, and oh, it came down. Okay, so it was moving like a very good uptrend, right? It's going up, then broke the trend, came down all the way, and I think it is our time to draw some new support here, right? 4.55. Okay, so for AHT, let me just remove everything. Let me have a fresher look. Yeah, definitely the upward trend is broken. And I'll cover BlackBerry again, Veronica, because BlackBerry, this is also something I'm holding here. So this is a floor, and why this floor is so important. 4.4, you see it was a resistance previously, once, twice, then it became a support. So 4.4 is a good area. If it comes back to 4.4, you can think about establishing some position. But if 4.4 is broken, I think this thing can come down all the way to 3.8 area. Other than that, I think it will have some kind of resistance around this area. I'm just using daily chart here just to give you some sense. So you see some kind of resistance here, came down, went up, and again back to back 2 days it was resting over $6, then it came back. So if there is a push, it can go all the way to 6, then it will have a resistance. Other than that, maybe I'll just draw one more here. Most probably something around here. So very important, 5.2. So if 5.2 is intact, then this thing will go towards 6. If 5.2 can't be broken, this thing will come back to 4.4 area. I'm not playing with AHT because there is an upward trend. Now it is coming down, but it can go up again. Okay, BlackBerry. Okay, Veronica. Yeah, I'm also from Canada. And that's why when you saw bb.to, I was thinking, okay, maybe you're from Canada. Okay, so BlackBerry. Things are not looking good for BlackBerry, and in my last video when there was an earning and my back-to-back videos, you see the box here. I talked about it because there is a gap in between, and I said if the support at 12.6 is broken, this thing will come towards 11.6, and you see now we are right in between. So this thing can come back all the way to 11.6 area, and it can get bounced back again, or it can come back here and it can continue going upward because the momentum is gone. The momentum was with AMC. Last time it went with AMC to 20 to 829, came down, then again it went to 21 and again coming down. So again, things can just die because you can see the average is around $9-10 area. So if you're holding some BlackBerry, I would just say wait for now. If there is another squeeze, then you will get a chance to get out. Other than that, save some capital to average down, because if the momentum is gone and if this thing can't hold 11.6, this thing can come down all the way to, let's see what's the next level. This thing can come down all the way around 9.4. Why 9.4? See, it was a resistance before, it was a support before. So if 11.6 can be held, this thing can come all the way to 9.4. At that point, maybe at that point, you can start buying some share to average down. Do not sell for a loss. I'm also holding BlackBerry. Still, I do not know what to do, because if there is a squeeze, then I will just get out. If not, if it comes down to 9.4 or even 7.7, I just buy more. Most probably there will be another correction, maybe July, August sometime. So things will come down. You just need to wait, and it depends how big is your position, because if your position is too big, you have to hold the bag for long. Come on, we have only few people here and the like is only 2, so hit the like button. Just take 1 second. Thoughts on NNDM. I think this is a bad time for coming live. Normally when I come pre-market live, I get more people, and still this is Sunday, people are chilling outside, so a bad time. Okay, so for NNDM I made few videos. So first of all, 11.6 is a very important area to break. After that, I think the area around this area 9.3, yeah, around 9.2, this is another important area because it was rejected last time. You see 2 candles here. So once 9.2 is broken, this thing can fly again towards $10-11. But if 9.2 is not broken, this thing can come back to 8.4. And again, I'm holding AMC, sorry, AMC, not AMC, this is NNDM. So NNDM, I'm holding shares, I'm holding some call options. So I definitely want this to go over 9.2 area. But very, very interesting. This thing can go and just break 9.2, then this thing will go towards $11 area. Otherwise, it will come back and retest 8.2. If 8.2 is intact, it can maintain, then there will be a next push up towards $9 area. Okay, and FAR Wish. Ashish, I just made a video on Wish. If you want, you can have a look, but do not get too excited about Wish. There might be a pullback. This is what I'm thinking. But watch the video, and definitely I will connect on Wish tomorrow morning. And whoever is new to the channel, if you want, you can subscribe. At the same time, if you want, you can join the community. It costs only $3 per month, which is 10 cents a day. So in that case, you will be a member, and during the day you can talk, you can ask, and you can get access to many trading ideas. So again, it's up to you. At least hit the like button. Okay, thoughts on NNDM. CLOV. I also made a video on CLOV. If you want, please watch the video on CLOV. So again, CLOV, I talked about it last time we talked. It was around $8.9. It went all the way to 28, came down. That was another sweet spot. We bought it, made some money. Now CLOV is coming down. It might come down all the way to 12.5, and it can bounce back. So this is the area I'm looking at. Or 12.5 is broken, this thing can come to 11.6. So what I'm doing, I'm not buying any call option, I'm just buying more shares as long it is coming down. So my next stop will be around 12.5, and the next buying opportunity will be around 11.6. And I think 11.6 is a nice point, because you see we had a nice clean breakout from this area. As long 11.6 is intact, I think this is good. Okay, Rakesh, FAR or FSR? Is there anything FAR? Let me have a look. FAR. FAR. Are you sure you want to talk about FAR? I know about FSR, Fisker. Everyone knows about Fisker. Rakesh, can you just confirm, is it FAR or FSR? Okay, so BlackBerry ESGC. I never traded this particular company, so I have to see what's happening. But just looking at the chart, seems like it has been coming down for some time. I'm just connecting all the tops of the highs here, and if you're really looking for a clean breakout, I would say wait. So this is some kind of floor for this one. So yeah, again, yeah, it has been very volatile, going up and down, up and down. So some important areas to watch, I think around 1.75. If 1.75 is broken, this thing will run towards the next resistance, which is, I would say, around 2.4 area. Otherwise, if 1.75 is not broken, this thing will come back again. But again, 1.75 will be a very important area, because you can see it was acting like a support for so long. So yes, this is something special, but I never traded. But looking at this, this is very volatile, and you can make a lot of money just playing with it correctly. It's a good swing trade opportunity. Okay, so FSR, so this is Fisker. I might not continue this live for so long, because just wanted to make it for half an hour, and I don't see many members here, so maybe a bad time. Maybe I'll just come back again. So Fisker again looking good, looking good. So the resistance was around 11.3. we made two big moves here, and if we stay over 19.3 on Monday, then I think Fisker will move towards $22 area. Fisker is a very good one. If you're a long-term holder, definitely a good hold. We talked about Fisker so many times. The last time I talked about it around $10. From 10 it became 20. It's almost you could double your money. So definitely looking good. Look at the volume, last days of volume. So hopefully Monday morning it will open above 19.3, and this thing can run towards 21, 22 area. Looking really good. I'm just looking at the daily RSI. Yeah, a little bit high, 68. So it can move sideways or maybe slight pullback towards 19.2 area, but again, not looking bad. But again, it depends, you are a long-term holder or you are just swing trader or a day trader, how you want to play. UAVS. Again, it has a floor around 4.9 current price. Yeah, these things are good for swing trading. If you know which area you are looking, definitely. Is there any catalyst? This is important, because other than that there is no breakout yet. So you can see this thing is making lower highs, but it is holding a floor around 4.6. If you want, you can wait for this to come back to 4.65, 4.7 area, then you get in again, and then when it goes up you can sell. At the same time, some important level, I think around, let me draw another line here. I think another line would be around 5.5 area, because it was acting like a support for so long, and I think it got a rejection at 4.6 area. It came down. So again, the important thing is it has to break 5.6. It has to go up, and the next resistance will be somewhere around 6.5. So basically it is moving between 4.6, 5.6 and 6.6. Okay. UAVS, thanks. FSR, oof, Rakesh, thank you. Added to the Russell. UAVS, okay, but again the price action is not looking good, and the Russell index will be on tomorrow, right? So again, this thing can come down, because the excitement for Russell index might be gone. This thing can come down all the way to 4.6. Okay, maybe I'll just close it very soon, and if you want, please go and check my latest video on Workhorse, CCIV, PLTR, CLOV, TRCH, Wish, BNGO, and definitely some other videos. I'm gonna close soon. Maybe I will come pre-market tomorrow morning, and definitely if you are new here, let me know, and please hit the like button. Do not forget to subscribe, and if you want, you can always join. You see the join here, you can always join the community, become a member, and get member specific advantages. And again, thank you again for watching this particular video, coming to the live Sunday, and let's have an excellent Monday. So take care, bye bye.